Hello everyone, my name is Rai. Welcome at MMC Make My Career. Okay, so guys, in my today's lecture, I will also pronounce you lots of words, and I'm quite sure if you are attending all the lectures sincerely, seriously, then you will be improving your pronunciation. Okay, now let's go ahead. Now this is sound A and U, right? So repeat after me. This is what down. Can you repeat? Down. Sound क्या है? आ है और ऊ है. Down. Right? So guys, before starting the lecture, please take a screenshot and write down in your notebook. So please and please follow the instruction. If you follow the instruction, then definitely your pronunciation and English will be good. Okay. All right. This is what, guys, about. Repeat after me. About. I want to know about you. Next one is noun. I am going to teach you noun. Right. Now sound. Sound. Don't make much sound. Sound. Next one is mouth. Open your mouth. Hello everyone. Open your mouth. Then you will speak good English. Now. Now I'm going somewhere. Okay. Next one is aloud. Read aloud. So your pronunciation will be good. Next one is proud. I'm proud of you. Next one is down. 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 Next one is, guys, shout. Hey, don't shout. Why are you shouting? Okay, next one. Now, this is, guys, how. How nahi. How are you? Hello everyone. How are you? Next one is crowd. Again you repeat crowd. Next one is allow. Again you repeat allow. Sir, allow me. Next one is round. Again you repeat round. Next one is cow. Okay. Now अब ये साउंड है आपका ई और अ, आप देख सकते हैं. बोलिए रियल. अगेन यू रिपीट रियल. नेक्स्ट वन इज fear. Fear. Don't fear, my dear. Next one is clear. Is it clear? My handwriting is clear or not? Next one is ideal. Ideal. You are my ideal teacher. You are my ideal student. Okay. Next one is period. This is my 34th period. This is my 35th period. Okay. Now engineer. 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 Next one is, guys, theater. 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 Next one is sound A and O. Right? So please repeat after me. There. Go there. Come here. Right? Now fair. Fair. How fair you are. How fair he is. Next one is bear. Sorry dear, I can't bear. Bear नहीं होता है. Bear. Right? Next one is care. Hello everyone. Take care. Next one. Rare. Rare. Like you, rarest of the rare people around the earth. Dare and spare. Dare. How dare you to say this? Right? Don't dare to fight with lion. Okay. Now spare. There are many spare parts. Okay. Next one is parents. Again you repeat parents. My parents. Your parents. Next one is therefore. Next one sound oo and a. Pure. Pure. Next one is tour. Tour. Right? I'm going on a long tour. Right? Next one is during. Again I repeat during. Next one is gradual. Again I repeat gradual. Next one is individual. Again I repeat individual. Okay. Next one is punctual. Again I repeat punctual. All right, guys. Now let's study and I will pronounce all the words again, right, in a better way. So guys, you will write all the symbols. This is a kind of test for you, okay? Now, this is sound A and U, right? This is what? Pronounce after me. Down. Come down. Go up. Next is what? About. Hello everyone. I want to know about you. Do you want to know about me? Yes, so I want to know about you. Next one is noun. Guys, if I teach you grammar, I will teach you noun first. Now, sound, right? If you speak more and more, your sound will be very good. Next one is mouth. If you want to speak good English, open your mouth, okay? Next one is guys, now. Now I am speaking, interacting with you. Now you can see the picture sound, and now open your mouth. Okay, now let's go ahead. Now aloud. So guys, read aloud if you want to become a good speaker. Next one is proud. I am proud of you. Hello everyone, are you proud of me? Next one is town. Oh my god, how beautiful the town is, right? Now shout. Hey, don't shout. This man is already shouting, okay? Now how? How are you? How are you guys? How are you friends? Okay. Next, crowd. Oh my god. See the crowd of students. Okay. Now allow. Allow me to speak. Allow me to say something. Okay. Round. Round. Okay. Now cow. Okay. Now you can see the beautiful black and white cow. All right. Cow. All right. Next one is sound E and O. You have to write all the symbols, right? By watching the previous videos. Now, real, real, right? Really. Next one is fear. Don't fear, my dear. So, guys, this way I'm pronouncing all the sound twice. This way you are improving and you're also getting a chance to pronounce all the words 2 times. Okay, now dear, hello dear, what are you doing? Hello dear, where are you going? Next one is clear. So guys, each and everything is clear. Yes sir, everything is clear. Next one, ideal. Ideal. So you are my ideal teacher. You are my ideal students. Okay. Now you can see fear. This man is fearing. Now, deer. What a beautiful picture of a deer. All right. Let's go ahead. Now, period. Engineer. Simply look क्या कहते हैं engineer नहीं ये engineer. Engineer. You can see engineer. My father is an engineer. My uncle is an engineer. One of my friends is an engineer. Now theater, right? You can watch the movie Mirzapur, okay? In theater. I love to watch movie in theater. Do you love to watch movie in theater? Yes, I love to watch movie in theater. Okay, now sound. Sorry, this is A and A. This is sound. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, this is sound A and A. This is what? There. Right? Go there. Right? Hey, don't go there. Right? Now, fair. I love to see fair. Write fairly. I love to write fairly. Do you love to write fairly? Next one is bear. Sorry, I can't bear. Can you bear? No, I'm sorry, I can't bear. Care. Hello everyone, take care. Take care of yourself. Next, rare. The person like you. Rarest of the rare. Right? Alright. Next, go ahead. Now, dare. How dare you to say this? Don't dare to fight with tiger. Spare. There are many spare parts. Okay? Parents. Your parents. my parents, everyone's parents. Therefore, right, therefore, I'm trying to suggest to you to practice more, try to speak more, right? All right, guys, this is sound, guys, oo and o. This is what? Poor. How poor he is. He is poor. She's poor, right? No one is poor, okay? Dur, during, during. Guys, if I do any mistake during my teaching, please forgive me. Now, gradual, gradual. Next one is individual, individual. Next one is punctual. Guys, be punctual. If you want to get something, be punctual. Okay, now you can see this is tour, and now this is a beautiful picture of gradual. Okay, now let's go ahead. So guys, I pronounce all the words, and now the time has come for conversation. Now this is the conversation at the bank, same conversation but part 2, right? अब मानकर चलिए आपका बैंक में अकाउंट खुल गया इसके पहले वाले लेक्चर में। अब आपने बैंक से हैवी लोन ले लिया। फॉर एन एग्जांपल, मैंने ही लोन लिया। अब देखिए, बैंक मैनेजर मेरे पास कॉल करेंगे, रिमाइंडर भेजेंगे। अब मैं पैसे तो दे नहीं रहा हूँ, मुझे धड़काएंगे, चमकाएंगे जैसे मैं उनको पैसे दे दूँ, राइट? तो दिस इज अ कॉन्वर्सेशन फॉर एंड कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑफ द एट द बैंक एंड राइट, लेट्स स्टार्ट द कॉन्वर्सेशन। अब बैंक मैनेजर ने कहा, मैं मिस्टर राय हूँ, मैंने ही लोन लिया है। देखिए मुझसे कहते, मे आई टॉक टू मिस्टर राय। कई बार तो लोग फोन नहीं उठाते हैं, अपनी पत्नी को दे देते हैं, किसी और बच्चे को दे देते हैं, ऐसा बल्कि मैं ऐसा नहीं करता, राइट? ओके, मिस्टर राय, यस मिस्टर राय इज स्पीकिंग, यस। उस बैंक मैनेजर ने कहा, मे आई टॉक टू मिस्टर राय। मैंने कहा यस मिस्टर राय इज स्पीकिंग। ये टेलीफोनिक कॉन्वर्सेशन है गाइस। ओके, मे आई नो हुज ऑनलाइन। फिर मैंने पूछा, हेलो एवरीवन, हेलो, मे आई नो हुज ऑनलाइन, लाइन पे कौन है? फिर बैंक मैनेजर का, यस आई एम बैंक मैनेजर फ्रॉम SBI, आई एम बैंक मैनेजर फ्रॉम SBI। उन्होंने कहा कि मैं कौन हूँ? बैंक मैनेजर SBI से हूँ। फिर मैंने कहा, ओ सर, हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू? अरे सर बताइए, मैं आपकी क्या सेवा करूँ? और सेवा क्या करना है यार, जो बचा है दे दो पैसे। मैनेजर, सर यू हैव टेकन होम लोन 25 लाख रुपीज। बैंक मैनेजर ने कहा, सर यू हैव टेकन 25 लाख रुपीज, राइट? Oh my god, and like, sir, you paid only 1 lakh, and sir, tell me, when are you going to pay the rest amount? बैंक मैनेजर ने कहा कि राय सर, मैंने कहा yes, you have taken 25 lakh rupees loan, but you have paid only 1 lakh, and tell me, give me the date, when will you pay me the next and rest amount, right? Then definitely I said, sir, what's problem? Bank is for loan. Bank is for loan, so I have taken loan. What's new in that? Okay, Mr. I, sir, please give me 6 months time. मैंने कहा, सर 6 महीने का समय दीजिए तभी दे पाऊंगा, राइट? बैंक, ओके बट पे इन 6 months। अब बैंक वाले क्या करते हैं, लड़ाई तो करेंगे नहीं, गोली तो मारेंगे नहीं। ओके, डोंट वरी, आई एम गिविंग यू 6 months, but please pay the amount in 6 months. Okay, Mr. Rai, okay sir, thank you for this kind help. आप जानते हैं, बैंक मैनेजर ने हमें समय दे दिया। आप 6 महीने तक आराम से समय बिताएंगे, फिर 6 महीने में देखा जाएगा, बहानों की कमी थोड़ी है। लेट्स गो अहेड। अब कॉन्वर्सेशन आफ्टर 6 months, 6 महीने का समय बीत गया, पता ही नहीं चला, राइट? बैंक, सर यू प्रॉमिस मी टू पे द रेस्ट अमाउंट in 6 months, but you did not pay. Bank manager का, sir, Mr. Rai, you promised me to pay rest amount in 6 months, but you did not pay, right? Mr. Rai, actually, sir, my father met with an accident. I'm sorry, sir. My father met with an accident. I'm sorry, I cannot pay. And in his treatment, I spent near about 5 lakh rupees. So I'm really sorry, I cannot pay now. अब एक अगला बहाना, right? सर माई फादर मेड विद एन एक्सीडेंट। सर मेरे पिताजी का एक्सीडेंट हो गया, उसमें 5 लाख रुपए खर्च हुआ। आई एम सॉरी, आई कैन नॉट पे, राइट? ओके, अब क्या होगा? बैंक, ओके, मैंने कहा कुछ समय और दीजिए। सर गिव मी सम मोर टाइम। अब बैंक मैनेजर ने कहा, ओके कोई बात नहीं है, आई विल गिव यू 3 months मोर। तो मैंने कहा, ओ सर, हाउ नाइस मैनेजर यू आर अ वेरी गुड मैनेजर, यू अंडरस्टैंड माई प्रॉब्लम, राइट? बैंक मैनेजर ने कहा, नो सर, बट यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड माई प्रॉब्लम, ओके। नाउ कॉन्वर्सेशन आफ्टर 3 months, अब बैंक मैनेजर 2 बार समय दे दिया। अब नाउ ही हैज बिकम वेरी एंग्री, बहुत समय ले रहे हो, यू आर टेलिंग लाई, ओके। Okay, bank manager, sir, you promised me to pay after 3 months, but you did not pay. What happened? अब इसमें बैंक मैनेजर का रुख थोड़ा सा तगड़ा है. What happened, sir? You promised me to pay after 6 months, and then you did not pay. Again, you promised me after 3 months. Now 9 months are gone. So tell me, will you pay it or not? अब वो टाइट हो गया है. I got great loss in my business. फिर मैंने एक और बहाना मारा. Sir, I'm sorry, sir. I got great loss in my business, sir. That's why, sir, please give me some more time. थोड़ा सा मुझे समय और दे दीजिए. अब बैंक मैनेजर एकदम गुस्से में ला. Sorry, sir, I can't give you time. You don't pay. If you don't pay, and your house will be auctioned. अब बैंक मैनेजर कहता है, सर, अगर अब आप पैसा नहीं जमा करते हो तो आपका घर का नीलामी हो जाएगी. Your house will be auctioned. Auction means नीलामी हो जाना. अब मेरी तो हालत इच खराब, ओके. No, 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 sir, please don't do it. I will pay you in 1 week. फिर मैंने कहा, oh, no, 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 sir, don't take action. All right, because every action has reaction. मैंने कहा, sir, action मत लीजिए. Give me 1 week, and within 1 week, I will pay with all the amount. Okay? Now, bank manager, okay, do it soon as possible as it can be. बैंक में लास्ट वर्ड कहा, ओके सर, डू इट एज फास्ट एज क्विकली एज यू कैन, अदरवाइज यू नो. मैंने कहा, श्योर सर, आई विल डू इट. फिर आई पेड द एंटायर मनी टू द बैंक मैनेजर, and bank manager became very happy. So guys, I'm very happy because you attended my lecture from starting till the end. So guys, if you really learned and enjoyed and learned something, if you really like our effort and my team's efforts, so please like the video. And if you did not like anything, you can dislike it, because power is in your hand, because you are my judge, okay? Now, please share this video to your friends, to your near, dear, and sweetheart one, okay? Now, please subscribe the video and please press bell icon, right? And then definitely you will be notified with our latest videos. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Jai Hind all, and take care all. Thank you.